Alright, welcome to another Nomad Sculpt modeling video. We were going to do something with the triplanar, and we've tried that ourselves, but I guess we're not really that good at it yet, so we're going to skip that step so I don't waste your time. Let's get a torus sphere in here. Alright, and then let's get started. So top view, make this a little smaller, a little thicker. What's going on here? That's not edible, I guess. Alright. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna cut this, and we're gonna use trim tool, and we're just gonna use, what's it called, rectangle. So cut that in half like this. Oh, but without symmetry. Where is the symmetry? Oh, here it is. Okay. Top view like that instead. Sweet. All right. Then we are gonna move this like that. Sweet. Looks like an actual controller. Then we're gonna smooth this out like this, but we're gonna do symmetry, so more this way. All right. And let's see. We're gonna put this up right here. Actually, we're gonna do drag. Nice. Alright, not too bad. Let's add some clay to this because we want to give it that full. All right, it's good. And then smooth this out. Nice. All right. So then we're gonna add the buttons and all these little extra things, so we can do mask, and this will make it a lot easier for us. So mask, do a front view, and we'll see something like this. Huh. Why is this in this? Oh, it's unmasked. My bad. Oh, let's fix that geometry first. Yeah, that's way better. All right. And we'll also decimate to make things a little easier for us. Like that. Decimate, decimate, decimate. And maybe a little more decimation. Alright, sweet. Okay. Maybe decimate later. Alright. Make this smaller maybe? Because we want sharp edges for this. Roughness. sorry. The actual brush for this. Or clear is better. Okay. Scale just one. Surface, screen projection, custom. Oh, here. Okay. So if we want something consistent, we'd go with this. Still not, apparently. All right. That's not better here. We're gonna have to give up on that. All right, let's clear this all out, and we are gonna do some, what's it called? Some workarounds for this, which is just little sphere. Well, what we think a little sphere would be like. All right. Alright, that's not bad. Alright, then we're gonna smooth things out. So like it's actually in there embedded. Right, and we're gonna do some dragging. Alright, nice. Nice, there we go. Alright, cool. Let's do our circles, which is just pretty much a cylinder. Right view up this way. It's not too terrible. Let's see, push it this way just a bit, maybe down here. Yeah, that's about perfect. Okay, smooth that out a little bit too, so it looks like it's embedded in there. Nice. All right. Good job. And we are gonna, so that's selected, we are going to select this, then we're gonna go with world and right to the left. Sweet. So now we got that other part created, and we're gonna do the little mouse, sorry, the joystick. So go here, cylinder, really small. Go down, like that. Smaller, for right about the center. Yeah, that's good. Then we're gonna do another cylinder. This one's just gonna be on top here. Flatten it. Make it bigger like this. Not bad. Right. That's a joystick. Oh, that is really small. Okay. I'll select these two and make them bigger. Right. Yeah, that's more proportionally correct. All right. And then let's go ahead and do the other stuff over here. And we're just gonna do like round buttons, and you can always add an image or draw on it to make your the rest of your models. So cylinder, way small, way super small. All right, now let's move it all the way to here. Bring it down, angle it, and that way. Sweet. Right. And now we just need to duplicate this a few times. All right, sweet. Now we get a basic controller. I think one last thing is the switches, or the R2, F2, or whatever here. So we can do that real quick. We can add a cube here. That. Wrong about that. Let's do the front, or the back, sorry. That's not bad. Okay, so we're gonna do like this, and then we're gonna smooth this out so it's a little more organic. Right. All right, cool. Okay, and that'll be the bumper there. We're gonna just duplicate this, use Gizmo, go down like this, make this a little smaller. Like that. All right, looks good. Try to line it up like that. All right, so these two, we're gonna treat them as one. Simple merge, because we don't want to add the geometry to it. And later on, we could actually break it apart in like Blender and make it two things, but this will just easier so we can reflect it. So make sure it's global, world, shows up over here. And there you have it. That is your controller. You can always add extra little things here, so that like it has like a power thing, a power connector. But this is the basic controller. Hope you like it, and can work on the UV stuff and then send it out so you can use it.